right, Exotic Wealth is back, man. What's up? You're gonna love this video, I promise. This is actually gonna be a case study of what you can do, man, and what's working and what can work for you. So I'm gonna show you this method that I don't see too much often. A lot of people don't talk about it. They try to get onto it, but a lot of gurus don't tell you about this. So I'm gonna be the one to do that. So let's go and tell you what it's about. What niche are we talking about? Well, the niche that I'm talking about is none other than the music niche, okay? So what you want to search, well, you don't really have to search this, but look at this, man. So I'm going to just search music download free, okay? Music download free. If you get where I'm going, then yeah, implement this and do it, man. So yeah, you have these websites out here that lets you download free music. And so what you can do is actually make money off of this as well doing CPA. And I'm going to show you that a little bit later on down the video. So yeah, and you're going to like it too. So yeah, you can just create your own site or just copy and paste this whole site and then just do it. So yeah, what you want to do is actually copy this whole landing page. It don't have to be specifically this one, it could be any one. So you can do it from this website right here, Free Music Archive. You can do it from any of these websites, right? Or just research the artist or the song that you want to download for free and go from there. Copy and paste for your own landing page and for your own good. So I'm gonna get into this case study and show you what's up. Okay, so right here, I'm on this website called albumoftheyear.org. So I looked up on Google latest albums release. So here you go, this week's new album releases. So as you go down, you notice a whole lot of albums, obviously. And so yeah, we're gonna choose this album. We're gonna choose Party Next Door album, right? So I'm not here for the ratings, really. I'm just here to show you what's up and so what you can do as well. So yeah, we're gonna do this album and I'm gonna show you something really cool. So now let's go to the next one. So here we go. We want to know the track list, although it showed the track list on the side over here so that you won't have to go here. It shows it over here. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you the track list anyway. So here we go, track list right there. What you want to do is just see the most popular song that's on this album. So then what you want to do, I searched up his name. So search up Party Next Door. One of the tracks on this album is called Trust Me. So if I were to type in Trust Me, this is just an example. You really don't have to do just this specific artist. You can do any artist you want. So MP3 download, right? So here we go. Party Next Door, Trust Me, MP3 download. So if you go down, you'll see these links, right? You'll see these websites that have the download that you want and that you're looking for, right? So what you'd want to do is just click on that hefty link, and then here goes the case study right now. Right here. Do you see this? You probably don't see it just yet, but yeah, look closely. Okay. As you see right here, Party Next Door, Party Mobile. Here we go. This is the album name and stuff like that. So it says leak torrent. Here we go to download. Let's go to the download. It shows the download link right here, right? But yeah, you can make your website just like this. If y'all don't notice this, but I'm gonna show you in just right now. So let's go. Let me click this link, and here you go. Here goes the proof right here. Do this look familiar to y'all? Does this look familiar or what? Okay. So when you want to know how to content lock movies, how to content lock music, anything you want, this is like the perfect example right here, as you see. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show you another website that's doing it, because it's multiple websites that's doing it, and you could do this for any artist, any album, any track, anything. So not just specifically this one. I'm doing this to show you the plain proof. This is like the proof in the pudding. Look at this. This is all CPAGRIP zip download. If you don't know, if you haven't seen this before, then you're not trying to make no money. So yeah, this is in CPAGRIP zip download, as you see right there. So Yeah, and press this. Look at this. 3 offers pop up, right? 3 offers pop up. Now, and you know somebody's making money off of this. Human verification. Please choose and complete an offer below to start your download. Enter valid information only. Copy this right here. This 9 times out of 10, this is working for gurus, because you see, I just researched it, and yeah, you see it. It says after successful participation of an offer, your download will begin automatically. And at the bottom, you can add this too. So you can just copy and paste anything. Look at this. And to make it look more realistic, just do exactly as what this guru did, because as you see it shows the file name. It shows all the information that people are actually looking for, right? And this is showing like very, very like specific to showing like what it's about. It's showing the name of the track. It's showing the name of the album, etc. Party Mobile. It's showing his Instagram or whatever, his Instagram post and stuff like that. It's showing all of that stuff. And yeah, you can do the same exact thing. And if you see this, look, download now. Here go 3 more offers down here. So if you didn't stop right here, there's 3 more offers right here. So if you want some good offers, copy off these offers right here. Get the brand new Apple Watch. Here we go. This is probably from AdWork Media, because Apple Watch, I think it is on CPAGRIP. But yeah, I think it's on CPAGRip and AdWork Media. But here you go, Apex coins. Here you go, Fortnite, V-Bucks, all that good stuff. So here you go. This is the case study right here. And this is exactly what you can do and implement yourself. So if you want to know what your human verification message is, this is pretty good right here. This is pretty well put. It says human verification, ! Please choose and complete an offer below to start your download. Enter valid information only. And so after successful participation of an offer, your download will begin automatically. Now, let's go and go back a couple, all right? Let's go and go back a couple. See, that was CPAGRIP. So, let's see about this website right here, because these are ranked top 5. These are in the top 5 rankings for this keyword right here, that people are searching for this song and for this download. And so you can just do the same thing for any other song and put it into your own words or whatever. I mean, these words, but yeah, instead of Party Next Door, or instead of the name Trust Me, you would put like Drake, one of his song names or whatever, and just keep the MP3 download. This is the only part you keep, and then boom. You don't have to add free if you don't want, but people actually do research this, especially if it's a popular song, anything like that. People actually do research this. So I click on this website, right? So I would suggest copying something that resembles this website as well. So you see this, I don't know what this has to do with her. It has a lot to do with her, because this is her actual song, Bad Baby, Trust Me, featuring Ty Dolla $ign, right? So as you see this, it says download. You could download these other ones too. And this is how you make extra income right here. Because say if somebody is interested in this, and this doesn't change, this stays right here all the same. You can share this. See, this is a whole case study right here. Another one. You can copy all of this, have them follow. These are fake likes or whatever. Maybe not fake likes, but you know what I mean. You can do the same exact thing and get these downloaded. But the reality is, it's all CPA marketing. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Boom. Look at this. What is this? Download below. This don't even look close to as the other one did. Do not copy off this. Only copy the landing page. So I repeat, do not copy off this. Only copy the landing page. Look at this, man. Told you. CPA. Here you go. This looks like CPABUILD, CPALEAD. This look like one of those. So yeah, here you go. This is how they implement it. And so these are showing different downloads. These are possibly different offers as well. So let me see. Yep, it's different offers. By clicking the button below, you would add what button? So it's nothing. Nothing pops up for that one. Let me see for this one. Let's see what pops up. Oh, it keeps me on this same page. That's good. It's not creating a new page as the others did. Add fly, report this ad. Okay. See, it's taking me to all sorts of different. This stuff is messed up. You keep yours simplistic as the other one. Don't have yours doing like this. So yeah, because that's not good. It's gonna have the person or the visitor, whoever your traffic is, it's gonna have them like saying, "Freak it, let me go look at another site." It's just common sense. So yeah, you'd want to do that, and so you'd want to only do trending music. I'm not saying this song is trending. I'm just showing you an example of how yours can be, and you could just copy and paste everything you've seen on that blog and input it. So to go more in detail, let me show you something. Let me show you something else. Let me teach you this too, because you see how it shows this, right? Ain't nobody gonna read this. Download the Canadian recording artist made the announcement, right? Now announcement, he sings smoothly. He released new record. Split decision. Okay. So what you want to do is not you don't want to do this. So you want to take all of this out, and whatever is about that artist or whatever specific artist that you choose, you'd want to take all of this out. You want to only keep these parts in. You only want to keep this in, because this is what your visitor is here for. The download, they only care for the download. They're going to be fast towards it because they're like, oh my God, I love this album. I love this song. Let me try and find it so that I can get it for free. And people are cheap and broke. So definitely they're going to go for this for sure. So what you want to do is take this, see all of this information right here. What you want to go do is actually look up the artist's name, right? And then after you research the name, then you would want to actually research about their new album release. And then 9 times out of 10, there will be a new blog about the album release and stuff like that. So, and then as it's talking about the album, you can just cut it just like this. Here you go, just 3 paragraphs, right? And then download link, boom. Then just continues on, and then you just paste the rest. You could do exactly that. So like I said, what you want to search is actually the artist and the album. Okay, the artist and the album, and you'd want to just research the blogs about it. And 9 times out of 10, the blogs will show exactly the same information, and you can implement this and like copy and paste it to your own landing page and have it exactly like this. I've already shown you how to copy the HTML. That's nothing new. You should already know. And if you don't know, here we go. Inspect. Well, what you want to do for this is view page source, and then it'll take you to another tab, as you see, and you can just copy it here. If you are on Mac, it's Command A and then Command C. But if you're on Windows, it's Control A and Control C to copy. So yeah, there you go. With that being said, let's go and get to the next one. So yeah, you'd want to know about streaming services. Why? Because you want to know what music is really trending. As I searched up right here, most popular music streaming services. So yeah, I typed that in. So then you want to go down, scroll down. So here we go, right here. As you see first, it shows Spotify, Apple Music and stuff like that. So these are the main apps and software you'd actually want to actually see what's trending. So you'd want to have or look up, if you don't have an Apple phone, then that's fine. You can just actually look it up. The same thing applies on Spotify, which is the same thing that applies on Apple Music. So I would suggest having Spotify and Apple, if you could, in Tidal, so that you can see all the trending music and the top-notch songs that are on the billboards or whatever, because these are the most popular songs, right? So see it at Google, Pandora. You would want Pandora, stuff like that, because these are the top trending ones. It shows the good and the bad. We're not here for that. So Apple Music, Tidal, Google Play Music, that too. You'd want to see all of these. And another way you can see is through YouTube itself. So YouTube itself, right? So what you want to do on YouTube itself is actually go in here and just tap the music button, and it will show you all the popular music, the trending music right here in front of you. Okay. So as you see, what you'd want to do is actually go down video hot list. Anything that's hot, anything that's like this 2 days ago, 9 million, anything that has millions of views in like only like a couple days, like 2 days, 2 days average. And so, yeah, and it has over 1 million views and stuff like that. These are the ones that you want to do. Like I would do the Selena Gomez dance again and re-implement everything I've shown you. So that this is exactly what you want to do. I did not mean to press on that, but that's my fault right there. Let me go back. But yeah, that's all you would want to do. And I hope you like this method. I really do. And yeah, I hope you have a good one. Stay safe and yeah, keep it all cool.